There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
What we're gonna do today, again, I want to show you first of all my live account. You can see my live account right here. And you can see I actually did this week, I didn't have any open trades, but I'm up for 3.58% for the month. So I'm happy with that. I'm like want to go like for some 6 to 8% every single month, because 6 to 8% pushes me to 100 to 140% a year. And I think that, in my opinion, like for a software that you don't have to manage a lot, this is like a really an amazing result. This is my live account. You can see we didn't have any trades. I was trading AUD JPY because on this, I call this my experimental account. I'm trading AUD CAD, AUD JPY, CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, Euro CAD, GBP, AUD, and NZD CAD. But now let's go through the Flash demo account. You can see here on the demo account. Okay, let's go back. Let's refresh so we can go back. So you can see here that on the demo account, we're running all the 32 pairs. We're doing an amazing job. As you can see, today we just had AUD NZD open and we closed it with 25 euros. But this week we're already up 1.72%, 390 euros. And for the month of February, we're like now only halfway through the month. You already see that we are up 6.17%. So if we do have a great 2 weeks like how we had the first 2 weeks, then we can like easily be up 10% for this month. And here we're like trading all the pairs. Okay, so what I saw by Flash is that like more pairs are gonna bring more results and also lower drawdown than just like upping the lot size on 1 or 2 or 3 pairs, because it can go sideways. Okay, so I like more pairs and lower lot size. And what I was showing you right now, or what I want to show you, it's how good actually Flash trades on H4. Okay, you can see here red dots are sell positions, and you can see here it started selling, caught the sell. And then we can have here Euro AUD, like a prime example. Euro AUD sell position, and Euro AUD went 370 pips. Then we have Euro CAD. You can see sell positions, buy positions. Then we have Euro Swiss franc, sell positions, buy positions. Euro GBP, sell positions, now buy positions. Euro JPY, the same thing, sell positions. You can see cut sell here, cut sell here. Then we have Euro NZD. Also, you can see what a beautiful move it got. It went like 340 pips. And you can see here right now that the last position on Euro NZD was when it was 7th of February. So that means that we didn't get trades now for 2 weeks on Euro NZD. Then we have Euro USD. You can see here, nice buy. And then you can see it caught the next one down, sell positions. And now it again caught up buy position. So this is why I like trading Flash with a lower lot size. I wouldn't go like more than 0.01 for every $500 on your account. So what does that mean? I will show you an example so you guys understand if somebody doesn't understand. Then you can see also here GBP CAD, what a nice buy, sells, buy, sells. GBP JPY, you can see sell position where it started selling all the way on the top. And look at this, it got again 250 pips. You can see the same thing here on what we have, this GBP NZD. You can see this buy, an amazing buy of 260. Then we have another sell position. So Flash, it's working like amazing on H4. NZD CAD, you can see all these pairs, like how nice it's performing. NZD JPY, look at this, sell, buys. And this is like why it's better to run more pairs with lower lot size than just 1 to 3 pairs on H1 and then upping the lot size, because it can also push you in a bigger drawdown. And you can see also here NZD USD, look at this beautiful buy. Okay, then you can see here a beautiful sell, but it's a patience game with Flash. And if I would be in your shoes, I would just be thinking how to get more money on my account so I can run more pairs at the same time. USD JPY, it's the worst performing pairs so far on H4. You can also see here silver, how nice it's working on silver. I'm not trading it yet on my live account, but I'm contemplating to put it on. And then you can also see here gold, how nice it traded gold. Sell positions here, then sell here, and buy positions. Let's see what it did with German 30. We didn't have like less position. We had when 4th of February USD 30. You can see here less position 9th of February, and this is just like FX monitor and my FX book. So yeah, Flash, it's working really nice. I will also show you now how to calculate your lot size. Let's say we can open up here a new document so you can have like an understanding. Okay, so if you're let's say now, if you're trading, let's say with 1,000 euros, okay, if you're trading with thousand euros, $1,000 or whatever, if you would go like, let's see, moderate, okay, moderate, and this is considered on time frame H4, okay, then you would choose what you would actually choose then 2 pairs, okay, 2 pairs, each 0.01, okay. Then if you would have $1,500, you can do 3 pairs, each 0.01. You have 2,000 on your account. You can go 4 pairs, each 0.01, okay. So which pairs we are trading right now? We are trading Euro USD, we are trading GBP USD, we are trading USD CAD, and we are trading NZD USD. These are like the pairs that we are trading the most, okay. So the next one, if you would go like, let's say, super aggressive, that's what I'm running on my live account. You would go 1 pair per every $250 on your account, okay, on your account. So what would that look like if you would have $1,000, balance 1,000, then you can trade 4 pairs, and for every 250, 4 pairs with each 0.01, and then for every 250 you're adding 1 pair. And this is like how I think Flash is going to produce amazing results. You can also follow my account here that you have Flash, my FX book. You can follow this account, you have the demo account, you have like all the resources to choose like which pairs you want to run. On this demo account, it's $250, 1 pair for every $250 with 0.01. Under here, underneath summary, you can check everything and choose which pairs you want to trade. So what I'm looking at, I'm looking how many trades a pair did and how much was the profit. And you see, I'm not running USD30. I'm not running silver yet, because I think that you need a little bit bigger account, at least like $3,000 account to run this, because it can go into a bigger drawdown. But you can see NZD JPY, 85 trades, $172. AUD CAD, 126 trades, $167. GBP AUD 60 trades, 131. Euro AUD 45 trades, $124. So these are the pairs I'm always looking, that it's for one trade at least $1 or €1. So these are the pairs that I'm choosing on my live account, the best performing pairs I will be adding to my live account. So you can always look and follow my account, and you can decide by yourself. Trailing settings, those are super aggressive. Okay, so stochastic settings, I'm not changing anything, but for trailing stop loss, for trailing stop, I would say like that. If we want to go conservative, okay, conservative. The trailing stop loss, I'm gonna be telling that for Flash Pro. Okay, we are talking about Flash Pro. Conservative. What I would do starting lot size and multiply it with 300. Okay, and then we have, which setting we have? Oh my god, how it's called? Then we have the setting trail buffer. Yeah, trail buffer. Trail start. Okay, this is trail start. Trail start. Lot size multiplied by 300, and then uh, trail buffer, lot size multiplied by 100. Okay, then we have let's say moderate. Moderate, it's trail start, lot size multiplied by 600, and trail buffer multiplied by 200. And then let's see more aggressive, because it goes for more profit, but it's working good now for the last 2 weeks. And I think that I'm gonna change. I think I'm gonna change this to on my live account too. What I'm doing, trail start lot size multiply by 900, and trail buffer I left it by lot size multiplied by 200. And you can see here, you can see right here, we have it 0.04 multiply by 900, it's 360, and 0.04 multiplied by 200, it's actually 8. So this is how I have it set up. I think that would be like more aggressive, because it go for more profit. And why I did it like that, maybe start of March I'm gonna even try to multiply it with 1200, because I see like how much profit we can actually get. Like let's imagine now that if we would go here with 1200, we would like catch even more money, because you can see it stopped us out here, but then the big drop came. But also it's a little bit riskier, because you can see here we got stopped out, but then you see it reversed. So we have to see what is the best option, but right now with multiplied with 900 works like really really nice, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And the number of trades per pip movement, number of trades per pip movement on H4, I put one trade for every 5 pips. If you want to go a little bit more conservative, then you put one trade for every 10 pips. And then if you want to go even more conservative, one trade for every 15 pips. But I think that one trade for every 10 pips, it's enough on H4, because H4 it's like really, like, how would I tell you, like sniper entries, and we get like really nice reversals, and you can see this like on every single pair. And the JPY reversal, and we are up 120 pips already, and you can see here it actually opened what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades altogether, 12 trades maybe. And I don't have here like how that it can open as many trades as it wants to per pip range, and you can see it doesn't open like a lot of trades. So on my live account I have it set up one trade for every 5 pips. You have set 5? No, I have set 1 per 5 pips. 1 trade per every 5 pips. This is how I had it set, how I have it set up. So guys, this is it. I think that we went through everything. Flash on H4, it's working amazing. I wouldn't go to H1. You decided by yourself what I want for my accounts. I just want that they grow. 1 month it's gonna be 3%, 1 month it's gonna be 5%, 1 month it's gonna be 10%. We never know. Right now the markets are like really like ranging markets. They're like really super slow markets. I have to tell you that. So I think that something big is preparing, that we will see like really soon big movements on the market. So always be prepared for the worst case scenario, and this is why I like to trade with Flash on H4. And I didn't have a lot of drawdown, and I also have nice profit. So guys, thank you for being live with me. Thank you for everybody that watched the recording. Please share this recording with your teams. The more they know about how Flash trades, the easier it's gonna be for them to be patient. And yes, be patient, and your profits are always gonna be there with you. So guys, talk to you next week. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.